Hello, and welcome back to Master Speak English, the place where we don't just learn English, we live it through real stories and real emotions. Today, I'm sharing with you a beautiful story, the story of Maria, a young woman who decided to take one full day just for herself. A day of peace, of quiet moments, of self-love. This is not a lesson. This is a journey, told in Maria's own words with calm, natural English, so you can learn, feel, and grow with her. Now, let's begin. Hi, I'm Maria. It's the weekend, finally, and today is just for me. No rushing, no outside noise. Just a full day of self-care, soft routines, and slowing down. Let me take you with me from morning to night. I wake up slowly, with no alarm, just the morning sun brushing against my face. I stay in bed for a few minutes, just breathing, listening to the quiet. I stretch my arms, smile a little, and think, this day is mine. In the kitchen, I make a warm cup of lemon water. It's my little morning ritual. I sit by the window, open my journal, and write. Today, I choose peace. I choose softness. This is how I check in with myself. Gently. I roll out my mat, tie my hair up, and press play on some calming music. I stretch slowly. I breathe deeply. It's not about being perfect. It's about being present. My body says thank you. I clean my room next, not because I have to, but because a clear space gives me a clear mind. I fold clothes, wipe surfaces, light a candle, and let the scent of lavender fill the room. I even dance a little while I clean, just for fun. I make avocado toast, fresh strawberries, and a little oat milk latte. I set the table with a flower in a jar, just for me. I sit. I eat slowly. No phone. Just the taste, the light, the peace. After breakfast, I do my skincare routine. A clay mask, a little massage with facial oil, and lots of love. I look in the mirror and say, "You're doing okay. I'm proud of you." I bring out my sketchbook and watercolors. I paint tiny flowers, write little poems, make a mess. No rules, no pressure, just me and the joy of creating. I put on my shoes, leave my phone at home, and go for a walk. The world feels different when you're really looking. I notice leaves dancing, birds singing, kids playing. I smile at strangers. I feel alive. I stop at my favorite cafe, order a cappuccino, and sit by the window with my book. I read a line that says, "Loving yourself is a quiet revolution." And I pause, because I know it's true. On the way home, I pick up some fruit, fresh bread, and flowers. The small things bring me joy. I carry them home in a simple canvas bag, smiling all the way. At home, I play jazz and start cooking. Zucchini, garlic, olive oil, a little pasta. It's simple, but made with love. I dance while I cook. Why not? I light a candle and set the table just for me. I eat slowly with soft music in the background, and I feel full, not just in my stomach, but in my soul. I run a warm bath, add rose petals, and light 3 candles. I soak. I breathe. I let go of everything heavy. And I thank myself for showing up. I wrap myself in a blanket and watch a film that makes me laugh and cry. Just me, my emotions, and the screen. Before sleep, I write 3 things I'm grateful for. Tonight, I write stillness, safety, me. I whisper to myself, I love you. I really do. Lights off, blankets pulled close, my heart at peace. Good night. Thanks for spending the day with me. This was my self-care. Slow, soft, simple, and enough. If this story touched you, follow Master Speak English, because English isn't just grammar, it's life, feeling, and connection.